In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Jetta key fob. One quick note, there are two devices for the Jetta that look almost exactly the same but are actually different. You can see my indicator light is down here in the middle. There's another one where the indicator light is up here in the top corner. If you have this one where it's up in the top corner, that's going to be a different video for you. If you go check down in the description, you'll find a video for that Jetta key fob, but this is not it. So go click down there. If you have this one, you can of course just follow along with me here. It'll just take a couple minutes and we will get that battery changed for you. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get these, go ahead and check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now what you want to do is just flip out the internal key. And you can see there is that opening right here in the middle in the key area. Just go ahead and insert your flathead screwdriver in there. Push it in there and give a twist, which will push apart these two pieces. You could just set this down for now. And now coming in here with the same flathead, you want to come in this space where the key was and just holding gently, kind of holding the bottom, start to pry. Just prying in there, which will push apart these two pieces. And once you have it started, it starts to open up. You can just pull it apart with your fingers. Now, once more, using the same flathead, going to come in this opening. You can see that space right there, right where the key ring is. Put the corner of your flathead in there and try to get under the battery to just gently lift it up. There we go. Take your new CR2032. Make sure the positive side that has all of this text and information on it is facing down, and you'll just simply click it into place, positive side down. And now we can just put everything back together. So you just line it up and squeeze. Take these and slide that on there and squeeze it back into place. If you'd like to make sure you did everything correctly, you can make sure that your indicator light is turning on when you press one of the buttons. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.